Hello and welcome to a new lecture. In this lecture, we will try to complete the following task. So we have to create a following model and we have to calculate center of mass relative to origin and center of mass relative to coordinate system 1. So let's start. Open a new part. And first we have to check that we have millimeter units and we will add material. So let's click on the material, edit material. Let's find our material, and this is one that we're looking for, and click apply and close. Now let's go on the front plane. Let's click on the sketch tab and sketch, and let's start. Let's see where our origin is. So origin is down left on the middle, so we're gonna start here at the origin with the line. So we go up like this, just following the model, this and this. Now we're gonna choose center point arc somewhere like here, and we go something like this. Okay, now we're gonna choose center point arc again, so we're gonna start here and we go something like this. Now we're gonna choose line and we go like this, and now we go center point arc from here to here, and then we finish with line from here to here. Now we must add some relations. So first relation that we'll add is this one. This point and this point is horizontal. So let's click OK. This point, and this point are also horizontal. And this point also is horizontal with this one. And this point and this point is vertical. And this point and this point is vertical. And now we have to check if we have tangent relation. So let's click on this one and hold Ctrl and click on this line and add tangent. And click on this line and this one and add tangent. And click on this one and add tangent. Now we added all relations we need. Now we're going to start with dimensions. So let's click on the smart dimension and let's click on this 120. That's it. From this one to this one is 55. This one is 30. Angle between this one and this one is 145. Then we have this one is 5. And we have this one and this one 135, which is okay. And now we have this one is 15. And this one is 15. and this one is 15. Okay, let's click OK. Now let's go down here. Now can you see we have a problem here? We have to delete this little line. Okay, now we have to go down there. Now we have to click this one, and this one are horizontal, something like this. That's okay. And now we have to just add one dimension, and that is this one here. Oops, this one, and that's 10. And click OK. And now as we see, our sketch is fully defined. We just have to add one more sketch, and that circle that goes here, and that is 15. And let's click OK. Now we go to features and extruded boss base, and we have to choose mid plane because as we see, our origin is in the middle, and we have to go with 50 and click OK. And now we have something like this. Now we have to create extruded cut in the middle, as you see on the model. So let's click on this plane, and let's click on sketch and normal to view. So we're gonna add some rectangle from here, and we will say that this one and this one are vertical, and we will click smart dimensions, and we will say that this one and this one is 15, and this one is also 15. So our sketch is fully defined. Let's close dialog. Let's go to features and extruded cut. And let's go through all. Click OK. And that's it. So there's one more thing to do. Let's click on this face and let's go on the sketch. And now we have to create extrude cut another. So let's click on offset entities. So we start with this one and we put it here 1, and let's click on reverse direction. Let's click on this one, this one, this one, and this one, and let's click OK. Now let's click on the center line, and let's go to the center of this circle, something like this. And now let's click on the offset entities and click on this center line, and let's put reverse direction, it's 1. And now let's click on the trim, and let's trim this one, and let's trim this one and this one and this little one. And now let's click OK, and let's go to features, extrude cut. Let's choose this one, and let's go through all and click OK. Oops, we did some mistake. we have to go back, which is actually good, just to see how we can go back. So as you see, we have to keep our inner circle. So let's go on the sketch, let's do edit sketch. So let's click here and let's go normal 2. Now as you see, and now we go to offset entities and let's click like this. And OK. And now just go to trim, click like this, this one, and this one, and that's it. Let's click OK and exit sketch. And OK, this is what we're looking for. So this is how to create a model. Now we have to calculate center of mass relative to origin. Let's click on evaluate. Let's put mass properties. Now look at it, 35, 57, 3210, 2153, 2149, and Z00. So this is not good. We made some mistake. So when you make some kind of mistake, then this wasn't on a purpose mistake. We have to check in our feature manager design tree. We have to check all the sketches and check all dimensions that we made. So okay, we put the correct material, that's okay. We are in millimeters, that's okay. So let's go with the first sketch. Edit sketch. Let's see, maybe we did something wrong here. So let's check on it. 120, 30, 55, 145, 10, 5, 135, 130. This is the problem. Probably. Let's click on it. Let's change it to 130 and OK. And now close dialog and exit sketch. OK. And now let's try to again calculate the center of mass. Let's go to mass properties and 32, 10, 24, 49, 00, and that's it. We did a good job for now. Now we have to create a new coordinate system. So we go to features, and here on the reference geometry we have a coordinate system, and let's put him here in this angle. So we have a X, Y, Z. That's okay. And let's go to evaluate and mass properties, and let's choose here a coordinate system. So we have minus 87, 90, 20 and 49, minus 25, and that's it. The task is complete.